Hello, my name is Jonathan Young. I'm an auto technician at the AutoMaster in Shelburne, Vermont. Today we'll be going over my final report. This is on the waste oil recovery system at the AutoMaster. Things we'll be going over today are the need, project description, the budget, and the conclusion. The current waste oil system interrupts business. It does this by not allowing the same number of vehicles to be serviced, revenue loss by the AutoMaster, and wasted shop space. Less vehicles being serviced. While oil is being recovered, a waste oil truck has to block off the main garage door for the AutoMaster. This does not allow technicians to continue working. Therefore, the same number of vehicles cannot be serviced on that day. If the same number of vehicles cannot be serviced on that day, this means that the AutoMaster is not making as much money. This is not profitable. Wasted shop space. The tank takes up about a 5 by 15 foot area in the shop, and this space could be used for many other things. It could be used for other projects or tool storage or other small things. And it's also just hazardous to have a large oil tank in the shop. Project description. What is this project? So this project is basically just moving the current oil reservoir outside, but not making it so that technicians have to walk all the way outside to get rid of their wasted oil. So we're going to have a drain and a pump in the shop, lines that go outside to the reservoir. So what is this project? It's basically just moving the oil reservoir outside. What is this project? It's an alternative way to store oil. It's an alternative place to store oil, basically. What are the materials needed? The simple materials needed to complete this job are an oil drain, oil pipe, an oil pump, and an oil reservoir, which we already have. So how does this project work? So technicians like me will go to an oil drain that will be installed inside of the AutoMaster. When you dump your oil in there, it will be pumped through exterior lines that go to a reservoir which is placed outside of the AutoMaster. As you can see in this picture, this will allow for the reservoir to be pumped empty without any interruption of business at the AutoMaster. This will help get people their cars back on time. It will help technicians stay on time with their work. It will also create for a smoother work day, just knowing what can get done without hiccups like oil recovery. How will this method solve the problem? So as we were just talking about, moving the oil tank outside will create a situation that the oil tank can be pumped empty without any interruption of business. So this solves the problems because technicians won't be wasting time, they'll be able to get more jobs done, and there won't be a large oil tank in the shop anymore. The budget for this project. So the oil reservoir we already own, so that's not really a cost here, but for the industrial pump, it's going to cost us about $1,300. For the industrial drain, it's going to cost about $1,000. For 60 feet of oil piping, it's going to be around $2,856. For pipe installation, it's pretty cheap. It's only $16. We have a contract with Red Rock Mechanical to install our industrial pump, our industrial drain, and our piping, and that's going to cost us about $10,000. And to fix the pavement after the project completion, the SDI line is going to cost us about $1,000. Some other personnel needed to do this job are going to be Dale Fillion as a overseer of the whole project, and shop manager Todd Maxwell to kind of head up with Red Rock Mechanical and all of the people on board to just kind of make sure everyone is where they're supposed to be. The project director, me, has put all these things together, and we'll just kind of ensure everything goes smoothly and that everyone's doing their jobs on a daily basis. Conclusion. So this project allows for technicians to work a full workday, get more total jobs done, and it also takes up less shop space. Are we excited? And thank you for your time. Any questions?
Yeah, I have a question. What will the evaluation phase look like?
The evaluation phase will be just ensuring that we're getting more total jobs done on days that oil is recovered, and that the Automaster will be more profitable, obviously, because of that. So we just want to make sure that the money comes with that. And with the wasted shop space, we just kind of want to see things go more smoothly in the technician's day,